Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to insert turning blocks in plan and profile using Water Network module of ESurvey Water. In one of the previous topics, you have also discussed making settings for both turning block in plan and profile. However, after designing the formation levels, you may wish to change some of the preferences. In the Input Alignment tab, click on the Turning Blocks button. In the Turning Blocks Plan window that opens, select the checkbox Display Dimension Above Angle and enter a value. Select Insert Turning Blocks at the junction where more than two alignments are joined. This means you want to insert blocks at T and plus junctions. Select the Turning Block Drawing. Enter the Turning Block Name prefix to be displayed in the plan drawing and scale of selected block to insert. Select alignments for which turning blocks to be generated. Click on the Update button to save the settings. For inserting turning blocks in profile, in the Sections tab, click on Profile Turning Points button to insert turning blocks in the profile. In the Turning Blocks Profile window that opens, select the checkbox Display Dimension Above Angle and enter a value. Select the turning block drawing from the file location. Enter the turning block name prefix to be displayed in longitudinal drawing and scale of selected block to insert. Select alignments for which turning blocks to be generated. Click on the Update button to save the settings. Depending on these settings, the profile will be updated. Thank you for watching this video. In the next video, you will learn how to insert values, crossing, and general blocks.